This is your captain speaking. Welcome aboard Korean Air. This flight is bound for Jeju International Airport. We are now cruising at 7,500 meters or 24,000 feet with ground speed of 740 km per hour or 460 miles per hour. Our flight time will be 55 minutes after takeoff and we expect to land at 7:15 p.m. The coastal temperature at Jeju Airport is 19 degrees Celsius or 66 degrees Fahrenheit and it is cloudy. We expect generally good weather, but there may be some turbulence during flight. Please keep your seatbelts fastened while you are sitting. Enjoy flight. Thank you.